Hello guys, this is Nick from HF Survival School and thank you very much for joining me. So first of all, apologies if you hear some noises. As you probably can tell from my voice, I'm a bit cold, I have a little flu and I was not able to go in the outdoors, so I'm in the yard next to my house. So you will be hearing some city noises. So this is the part 2 of the giveaway marathon which I promised in the previous video. For your information, I contacted the first giveaway winner and so far no response. It's been already about a week since I sent him a few messages. I'll give him a bit more time until the third giveaway, and if the winner won't contact me back, so it will be in some like 1 month since the first time I contacted him. And if in a month he won't respond, I will draw the winners again and find out another person to give all of that away to. But hope so, if you are watching this, I really hope that you come back and reply to my message, as those are some great gifts. So for today's prizes, I have some amazing, really high quality stuff for you guys, including that wood stove which you just saw. So let's get in more details and take a closer look to what I have for you guys. As always, let's start with the most interesting sharp stuff first. First I have this Yacht Kit KNV2 knife. This beautiful, very high-end knife. This is my personal one, and this brand new one is for you. Never used. As you see, this is a beautiful knife. Now I know the first thing you will think that it looks very similar to the Falkniven F1, but the only thing similar in these two knives is the handle. Other than that, it is different geometry, different steel, different sheath, everything is different. But one thing is that this is as reliable and as high quality. Now so far I don't have that much miles on my knife. I only had it on like a few trips to add that to my bulletproof gear list, but it is very promising. It has a very nice grip. It has a true convex edge. It is very sharp, very durable. You also have a steel pommel, so you can pound it on stuff. Great geometry. It will be a great hunting blade. It would be great to skin animals with, and just great general outdoor knife. I will do a more dedicated review about that in future when I use my knife a lot, maybe like a year later. And with this knife, it also comes with a fire seal, as you see. Brand new fire seal. Now I don't want to take it out because there are some screws inside and I don't want to lose them. I will show it on my knife here on the sheath. Here's a dedicated ferro rod holder which goes on the sheath, which you put it by yourself if you want it. It comes with a small ferro rod which goes inside, and just like that you have a great survival knife, bushcraft knife, whatever you want to call, a great dependable knife. So let's move on. Second up, we have a very high quality flashlight made by company Armitech. This is my personal one. It is the Wizard Pro. It is a great flashlight. As you see, it comes off. You can put it on your head as well. And for you guys, I have the Prime C1. As you see, let's open it up. Brand new, never used. It comes with its own pouch, and the good thing about the flashlight is that it has a magnetized charger, so it just goes like that without plugging and stuff. It won't come with the battery because of shipping restrictions. I have to send it without a battery. So great reliable flashlight, very high end. It also comes with a pocket clip, and it is just a great general, even EDC or outdoor small little flashlight. Next up we have the wood stove which I just show you, made by company Uberleben. I have a brand new stove for you. It is stainless steel, and at first when I got this I was like, this is not even bushcraft, why do I need this? But when I light it up on my balcony and put a kettle on it to boil some water, it is so efficient that I just could not believe it. It was like in 1 or 2 minutes it boiled water. It catches fire very easy because it has a lot of ventilation, and it is a great piece of kit. I have a brand new one from Uberleben for you guys. As you see, it is not even opened, never used. I will leave that joy for the winner to open it. Now, by the way, all of the links will be down in the description to all of the gear mentioned here. And now let's move on to the final gift. Now, some people hassle to use high-end knives, so I have another knife for the winner. Like in the previous giveaway, I will be giving away one Hultafors OK4 knife. You guys have seen me use this knife in many videos, very high quality, as said in the previous video. 90-degree spine to scrape the ferro rod, comes with a plastic sheath, again never used. Now, talking about the gear, everything is worth a bit under $300, so it's like $160 for the knife and the ferro rod, about $20-ish for this knife. For the stove it's like $40, and for the flashlight $60 or $70. So all of the gear is worth just under $300. So a shipping of like $30 or $40 I'm sure will be worth for you guys. So here are the rules for the entry. First of all, I have to say again, like in the previous giveaway, that the winner will have to pay the shipping because I'm really broke. So that's why I will have to be that cheap and ask the winner to pay the shipping, which will be from $30 to $40 with my calculations, because all of this stuff is pretty heavy. It's a bit over 1 kilo. So if you are located in the USA, for example, or countries that far from where I live, then it will be close to like $40. If you are a bit closer, it will be cheaper. So depending on from where the giveaway winner will be. So the rules are really simple. Be subscribed to my channel, HF Survival School, and a huge announcement, I have started a new channel. I'm just starting a new channel, so you have to go and subscribe to the channel as well. Link will be down in the description, and I will post a video there, and you have to comment on that video that you are in. Just say I'm in, and that's it. Again, simple rules. Winner pays the shipping. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to that channel, and comment on the video of that channel, which I will link down in the description, that you are in. Now, why a second channel? It's been an idea for me for quite a while now, because I'm not able to film many fun stuff to post on this channel, because I want this channel to be dedicated to that kind of survival and bushcraft stuff, entertaining and interesting stuff. But also other stuff is happening in my life. Like, for example, a week or two ago I was on a hunting trip. I had my cameras with me, but I didn't film anything because the hunt was not successful. But it doesn't have to be a successful hunt. It was still very good because we looked around at the place. We found some ancient caves with human skulls and stuff like that inside. So many interesting stuff is happening. I'm making many interesting projects. The second channel will be called Nick's Crafts and Talks. So it will be dedicated to the kind of the stuff I make, leather craft, knives, stuff like that. And also I'll be filming like everyday vlog kind of type of videos. So look very forward to that. So far I have not posted any videos there yet, but I'm sure we will feel that pretty soon. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Now, it is not a rule, it is not a must to share this video, but if you share this on your social media, I will very much appreciate it. And if you tag me there, that would help a lot as well. Maybe on your Facebook or on Instagram. You can find me on everywhere at HF Survival School. So thank you very much for watching. Hope I will defeat this cold flu very soon, and I will be back with another amazing video, hopefully for next week. I'm planning some awesome stuff. I'm planning some good shelter building and many entertaining stuff, both for this channel and for the new other channel. See you in the next one.